Welcome home. Buy your new home with a team of professionals to assist you every step of the way. Good to know, at Eagle Dunes Golf Club, we believe that everyone who loves the game deserves to play on an outstanding golf course. With gently rolling fairways, tee boxes with 4 sets of tees, and generous landing areas that both pros and Joes enjoy. When Eagle Dunes Golf Club opened its course in 2003 in Sorrento, Florida, it greatly pleased those who have a passion for golf, and it quickly earned a reputation as being an enjoyable 18-hole course with few crowds. Mike Dasher created the 70-24-yard, par 72 course to challenge and excite golfers while still making it fun for all skill levels. Eagle Dunes has received great praise from many golfers since its opening. Golfers appreciate its elevation changes, well-maintained greens and beautiful fairways. Golf Digest gave Eagle Dunes a 4-star rating in the 2008 to 2009 edition of Golf Digest as best places to play.